Hey everyone, welcome to Joe Podcast. In this video, I am going to explain about Trifo Home app. This video is continuation of Trifo Max unboxing and assembling video. If you missed it, please check it out. I gave the link in description. This is Trifo Home app. This app is to remote control Trifo Max robot vacuum cleaner. Let's get into app. Select your country. First, we have to register with our mobile number or email ID. Then log in with those details. I already registered with my details, so I am going to log in. Now press on Add Device. Then we will have all Trifo models. In that list, select Max. They gave nice demo for configuration. To configure, first we have to switch on Trifo Max. Long press Home button. Now Trifo enters into Wi-Fi connection mode.
Let's connect me to your home Wi-Fi.
Now enter your Wi-Fi details. Here we will have QR code. Scan this QR code with Trifo Max camera. Then click on Next and let it configure.
I've scanned the QR code. Connecting now.
Here we can name our robo. This is home screen. To start robo cleaning, press on this clean option. If you want to stop cleaning temporarily, click on pause. After completing cleaning, robo will automatically reach dock station and start charging. If you want to send robo to dock station in middle of cleaning, then press on recharge button. We can adjust suction power. The max suction power is 3000 pascals. To clean the regular dust, minimum suction power is enough. But to clean some sticky items, then we have to increase suction power. By increasing the suction power, there will be a bit noise. Now let us see how spot cleaning works. This is manual controller. Whenever we press this, Trifo will enter into manual controller mode. If there are any stains which are not cleaned by Trifo in regular cleaning, then we can move Trifo to that particular spot by using these controllers. Or else we can go with this map option, where we can simply mention the particular spot to Trifo just by single click. Then if we press this spot cleaning option, then Trifo will clean that particular spot only. This suction settings is used to adjust power for spot cleaning. Once we exit manual control mode, suction power of Trifo turns into main suction power. This video option is to watch our home video, capture photos, and also to record video when moving with manual controllers. If we press this close button, we will exit from manual control mode. Now let's see video surveillance. This start video option will start camera. Camera can see what is there in front of it. Trifo Max has an internal mic feature, so we can hear the sounds around the Trifo Max from this audio option. If we don't want to hear those sounds, we can mute it. If we speak something by holding this mic, our words can be heard in Trifo Max. We can capture the pictures by clicking here, but camera is in 30 degrees angle, so we can't get straight view. We can record video too with this option. Here it shows how much area it cleaned, how much time it took, and remaining percentage of battery. In this menu, we are having device settings. In About Device, we are having our device details like device name, which we can rename if we want. And this serial number is used when you want to claim your warranty. In this voice settings, we can stop voice assistance by activating this quiet mode. We can schedule cleaning here. In this cleaning history, we can monitor total area, time, and number of times it cleaned. And if we go in detail, we will have date, time, and everything. In this maintenance, we will know the remaining life of brushes and filters. If this motion detection is active, Trifo Max will identify the movement within the camera's range and push notifications to our mobile along with small video clip. It is very helpful in terms of safety when we are out of home. We can also schedule this motion detection. If Max got stuck anywhere, to identify the location, we can use this Find My Robot option. Then it prompts us with voice assistance, even it is in quiet mode. Here we are having software details too. Now let's look into Alexa settings. In this hamburger menu, we are having few settings. We can change password, language, etc. Here we can see Alexa option where setup instructions are given. With these instructions, we can connect it to Alexa. This Trifo Home Smart is very handy. User interface is easily understandable to everyone. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.